What's going on, Hick Squad? Here with another video, and in today's video, this truck is in a video game. Yes, you guys heard right. This truck is in a video game. I've been working with McLean Modding. It's the guy who made the model. And Gabe, I'll have all credits at the end of the video. He's the one that actually made the truck. And he did an amazing job on it. It really looks like the real truck. So I'm going to take you guys along. I built the shop in the game and all that stuff. So we can park all of our trucks in there and everything. It's going to be awesome. So, you guys stay tuned, and it's going to be lit. What a great day to be here in Lynchburg, Tennessee. We are here in my log cabin, and let's checking the weather real quick, seeing what it is. You can hear it, it's raining outside. So this is my kitchen. I'll give you guys a little tour of the house real quick. This is my kitchen. And coming upstairs, I got a bedroom and everything for my computer. And you can hear the Duramax out there running. Warming up. And this is the log cabin house. Very awesome. And this is my new cat eye Duramax. So we're gonna fire up Old Dirty, and I'm gonna go to the dealership and go pick up Clifford. Open my gate here. Get out and close our gate. Don't want anybody coming into my house that I don't want to. So we'll take our nice big long driveway out to the dealership, and we'll go and buy the truck, and I'll go through it, show you guys all the extras I was telling you guys about. All the extra parts, different rims, different tires, different all types of stuff that's on that truck. But this Tennessee map is really awesome. Still work in progress. I'm still adding stuff like the barn there, little garage. But it's turning out pretty well. Turn here. We take this gravel road all the way into the store. I also own this land right here too. I'm planning on building a big dealership and all that stuff there. It's gonna be awesome. I mean, we got a lot of land and a lot of stuff you can really do on this map. We got another little farm there. If you guys like some video game content on the channel, make sure you guys let me know in the comments. I hooked up with Gabe, and he said he can build my truck in Farm Sim. That's in real life. And I was like, sweet. Okay, I'll go and buy the game and get it all set up and everything, and I found all these other truck mods and all this stuff, so I was like, I can kind of really get to like this game. Started to get a hang of it, of the mapping type of prospect of the game, but I don't know. I'm not really into the modding prospect of the game. I honestly will not know what to do at all. Don't know how to put wheels on trucks, don't know how to do all that stuff. These mods you see, like this one that I'm in now, it's built by somebody else. And we're pulling up at the dealership now. Park the truck right up here out front. Hop out. Like I was saying, look at these wheels that are on this truck. It's like amazing, and that color looks so good. I guess you come to this thing. Yep, you come to the store here. You go to cars. I got all these trucks. You guys can just look. A 4th gen, a mega cab, a lifted side by side. I got all kinds, and I don't know who all these trucks are built by, but these people do an amazing job on it. And here is Clifford right here. I gotta switch the store picture. That's all paint.net. It's me being a YouTuber, posting all these truck meet videos and all that stuff. I'm really good with the thumbnails, and that's all paint.net. So, closest that I seen in red of my truck is this Scarlet. It's as closest to the red I think I'm gonna get to my truck in real life. Attachment stock, cab lights. Yes, yeah, cab lights work in the game, but don't work in my truck in real life. Stock exhaust, you got a stack here. You got dual diamond stacks and a single, dual color matched. I'm gonna go with stock exhaust. And front bumper here, you guys can see, you can paint it just like mine is in real life. Full colored. You can put a ranch hand. Stock. That's the way mine is in real life right there. So we come down here. The rear bumper, which mine is like that in real life. It's painted. Aftermarket rear bumper, stock bumper, and painted. Now we come here to the mirrors. Color down, gray up, which is like stock, and which mine are painted in real life in red. Bed badges, which I don't have none on my red truck, so I'm gonna leave it as none. Cab details, which is this plastic, which mine's not like that, so I'm gonna leave it. And lights, I believe that's rear, ain't it? Yeah, it's rear, the rear taillights, which are red, but mine are kind of like smoked, so let's leave it as that. And the wheel setup, this is what I like. You get forces, which look like by like 22s or something like that. Specially forged, which are like probably like 24s. Fuels, octanes. American Force 2. And stock. Well, what the ones I like the most are these, especially forged. They don't have hardcore off-road. I wish someone would make them, but they don't. So we settle with specially forged. And rear bumper, which is as an extra setting. And it's the bed badges again. But this is the truck. So we're gonna buy it. Hit OK. Leave the old Dirty Mac sitting there. And this is Clifford and Farming Simulator. I think there's... Let me go back over to the thing and custom this thing out. I think we got a grill. I think we got my grill in real life. I think the trigger is like right here. Yeah, there it is. Customized. I know we probably got a grill. There it is. Right here. Colored stock. And mine is like that. So, let's see what else they got. Yeah, it's just... That's it. Light housings, which are mine. It's like blacked out, so you can switch the headlights. Here we go. That's Clifford and Farming Simulator 19. Let me fast forward time to get rid of this rain. There we go. Yeah, annoying rain. But that's with all the lights on. That's just with the running lights. Too bad we don't have rock lights like my truck's got in real life, or the wheel rings that my truck's got in real life. But I am overexcited. So we're gonna drive this back to the farm. And I know a little bit about this game, not too much like everybody else that can do all this custom stuff for trucks and all that stuff, but I do know how to switch sound files. There's WAV files, and if you guys want on this truck, I can switch the sound to my real sound of my truck in real life. But this is the interior. It's a 3-pod gauge. Looks like a dash off of a 2nd gen, but that's all we got in this game. So I'm really not gonna complain. It really looks good. I'll blow that stop sign. Alright, let's see how fast this thing can go. From a dead stop, I'm just gonna slam it straight to the floor. Yeah, it's kind of fast. But I'm really excited to have my truck in like a video game. It's pretty cool that someone actually took time and out of their day to build this. It's really amazing. Really cool. But if you guys really like this type of content, I can mix it with some real life videos. We're still doing the truck meet videos. We have a truck meet coming up this weekend, so if it's huge and tons of burnouts or whatever, I'll record it and put it on the channel for you guys. But if you guys like some content like this, maybe we can do some heavy hauls with this truck and really put this truck to the limit. See what it can pull, see what it can't pull. And all that. Show you guys my shop I have in the game. It's really cool. It actually has some like real life sounds with the garage door going up and down and all that. It's pretty awesome. But I'm not really big of a gamer, more of a sim racer for like sim racing, because I got my racing simulator and all that. But the guy reached me out on Facebook and said, "Hey man, I built your truck and for farming simulator." I'm like, alright, that's cool. But really not into this game really. But I do like the aspect that you can build your own truck and you can build trucks in the game. And all that, that was pretty neat. Nope, we hit our fence. New truck and I already damaged it. We got a perfect spot for this truck. Back it up right here. Shut it down. But I'm really excited. Really excited to have my truck in the game. It's like really cool. But I'm gonna show you guys around the shop. Like I gotta cut that trees down and all that. Like look at this truck. The brand new GMC 3500 Duramax 2020. This thing's got a full interior too. Oops. Yeah, this thing's got a full interior. Yeah, I got that lift anything mod. That's why it moved the truck. Look at these headlights that turn on. Look at this, you can run the running lights. It's amazing. This is the interior. Looks so good. It's absolutely amazing what these guys do in this game. It's absolutely stunning. But you go up these stairs. If it'll let me. Come on. But there's a whole another section up there you guys can see. You can like come here. You can turn on the lights and everything. It's pretty neat. But it's gonna be the end of the video, guys. If you guys like this video, I know I'm almost up to 1 million views, and I am thinking for you guys who play this game, I am thinking about maybe a release of Clifford 1.0 in Farming Simulator here. Maybe a release will be coming when I hit 1 million views. So you guys stay tuned for that maybe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.